Hey, it's that time again. It's Saturday, 8:14 p.m. Eastern Time on November 11th, 2017. My name is John Disk, and this is the Crypto Update. Alright, so here we go. We're going to have to refresh this screen because we do have a glitch in this website. Still, I did find the glitch though. And it's not in the code, it's in the actual website tool that we use to publish the website. The code writer and myself went through it. We didn't find anything, and we wound up changing a couple of things around, and we found the glitch, and it's actually in the website. These coins here are no particular order, it's just an overview, and as you can see, 70% of the top coins are in the green and 30% are in the red, including the coin of bits. There's that glitch I was talking about. This is Bitcoin coming up here, and we're going to have to refresh this again because we were rambling on a little bit. Bitcoin is sitting at a low of 62.33 and down 8.71%, down 15% on the week. Today's high was 68.32 and the low was 61.88, and there's Bitcoin's miserable day. Pretty much downhill except for right about there. That was about 4 o'clock this afternoon. It did go up to almost hit 6,500. Coming in second is BitCoin-Cash, and look at that price. Major action at Bitcoin-Cash, and up to $13.92, knocking on the door of $1,400. Just a couple of days ago, it couldn't get above $600, and now look at it. And there's reasons for this, and we will go over them. Today's high was $14.40, and the low was $8.89. The volume is incredible, and Bitcoin-Cash is in second in volume. So we'll come back to Bitcoin-Cash. There's today's wonderful day. I had a wonderful day yesterday too. And third in volume would be Ethereum, making a little bit of a comeback and sitting at $310.61. Ethereum is up 3.17% and about the same for the week, but it is still down for the month. And had a bit of a rocky day. Looked very promising up until this point here. It started coming down a bit. Litecoin is in third at 61.77 and is in the green, up 1.65%. For the week, it's up 13%. So Litecoin's looking good. It did get up to 63, almost $64 today. So Litecoin's doing okay. It looked more promising earlier, like a lot of these coins. Ethereum Classic also having a great day and up 31, almost 32%. Ethereum Classic hit a high of $20.24, and today's low was $14.37. Pretty much straight up. Look who's in the top 10 in value. Coming in at number 6 is Bitcoin Gold. And just having an awesome day along with BitCoin-Cash. Up 87.47%, almost doubling its value in 24 hours. Look at the weekly chart. Major stuff happening at a Bitcoin Gold there. And all this and BitCoin-Cash, Bitcoin Gold, all the forked coins from Bitcoin, and SegWit 2x. B2X is back on the market. We'll go over that too. It's not in the top 10 in volume, but last I checked, it was also way up, and there is some defiance. A lot of people are pissed off. The miners are mad at Bitcoin and about SegWit 2x not happening, and the exchange is not honoring. Although Coinbase has not said anything about it to my knowledge, but they're going on somewhat a major mission to push these forked coins from Bitcoin, BitCoin-Cash, SegWit 2x, and Bitcoin Gold. They're pumping the prices of these coins up and buying in at major amounts of money. Trying to go on a run. Not Bitcoin at the number 1 spot, the number 1 all-time coin. Monero's coming in 7th place in volume and up, also having a great day and up 11.6%. Monero's having a great week and a pretty good month too. And there's Monero's day, a brief overlook. IOTA is coming in number 8 and sitting at 62 cents. Up 19.69%. So all these coins are having such a great day. While Bitcoin is tanking. Bitcoin is struggling big time. Zcash is coming in 9th, and Zcash is not one of the coins having a super day, but it is up 2.38%, and its value is $249.03. A little bit volatile here on Zcash. That's a roller coaster there. Ripple rounds out the top 10 at number 10, and pretty much even. Ripple's been struggling a lot to get above 20 cents. It did hit 21.5 cents today, but there's a lot of volume going into the coin, but it's just not doing anything. A lot of sellers too. It looked promising earlier as with some of these coins, and it just couldn't get there and came back down and adjusted. Let's go back and see what the hell is going on with BitCoin-Cash. Take a bit of a closer look here. 1387.85. That is incredible. Here's 1 week with BitCoin-Cash. So you're sitting at $600 forever, and then boom. And every day looks more promising. I believe it was up almost, or it might have been even over 100% at one point today. There's definitely a run going on BitCoin-Cash. And what is up with SegWit? what the heck is going on with Segwit 2? It's also, you can see there was a tank. It went all the way down to, what is this, $146.30 after hitting some major amounts of money, going all the way up to $2,400 we get. And that's when the split was called off and people just bowed out of it. But now it's starting to come back, and well, see, now it's down. I spoke way too soon. It's now it's sitting at 334.82. But don't forget, this is after hitting 146, so it did come back. But for whatever reason, it's currently down 25% for the day. I suppose there was an adjustment here. It was earlier today. It was up. Yeah, it was yesterday. It was up to $500. So Segwit 2X is back on the market. I don't know exactly what's going on with that. We do have news, though. What's the news going on here? I had another little section here. Coinbase shuts down IRS probe. About a year ago, the IRS asked Coinbase for all their customer finance records for 2013, 2014, and 2015. Coinbase said no, and they wound up going to court over it, and it kind of just fizzled out. So the IRS had no legal grounds to ask for that. Coinbase held out under the grounds of their customer privacy and said no, and that was pretty much that. And it just kind of fizzled out in court. Trump's Treasury Secretary talks about Bitcoin, and this is kind of amusing here. I'm not sure why that just happened, but it did. Let's get back here. Forget the guy's name. We're going to have to go back. Steven Mnuchin. Looking carefully at Bitcoin, and Mnuchin is a former Goldman Sachs banker. Big-time banker for Goldman Sachs, which is why Trump hired him. Says he's concerned about the dark web, the illegal gambling, the prostitution, money laundering, drug buying, drug selling, all that good stuff. So he wants to start poking around and has developed a team to poke around into cryptocurrency. And Bitcoin, which is kind of scary. This is big-time federal government, again, probing into crypto. It's basically all about taxes, but that's the excuse they're using, the dark web. And there is a dark web, and there always has been ever since Bitcoin was born. Especially in the Silk Road days, it got crazy, and it gave Bitcoin a really bad reputation. Kept a lot of good people out. So, you know, I'm kind of for, if that was really what this was about, shutting down all the, you know, the scams and all the illegal stuff, and if they would just, you know, leave our money alone and let good people invest in cryptocurrency without bothering them, without invading their privacy, without taxing the hell out of them. Because most of these people, let's face it, they're not investing a lot of money. People will gather up 50 or $100 and they'll stick it in Bitcoin and treat it like a savings account. But there are some shady things going on, and I wish we could self-regulate a little bit better so the government wouldn't have this excuse to penetrate. Anyway, now we have a question and answers thing. And Janie Steinman asks, is Omise Go still a solid investment? Yeah, it is. It's one of the few buy and hold coins along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Litecoin. There might be one other coin that might actually have some kind of substantial purpose in the market, other than trading and trying to make quick money. Yeah. It's Omise Go is an Asian coin. I've probably gone over this a million times. You don't need a bank account to get into the coins. And see, one of the problems with that is the people buying it don't have a lot of money. They're buying with very little amounts of money, so you don't have this major volume going into it. So it kind of comes and goes from the top volume coins. It's a long time buy and hold. I would give it till the end of the year, and if it's still kind of stagnant and sitting at $16 or whatever it's sitting at right now, you might want to let it go and try to break even on it and let it go. That's what I did. At that point, I was holding Ethereum and I was holding Bitcoin, and I think I had a little bit of Litecoin too, so I had enough buy and hold coins. I didn't need 4 buy and hold coins, so I let it go. If you have money in it, Janie, hang on to it. It's got great people behind it. It's got a great idea. It has a great purpose. It's just going to take a little bit of patience to develop. Just hold it until the end of the year and see what it does, and if it doesn't take off by then, you might want to seriously think about saying I'll see you later. Anyway, that's going to do it for the crypto update. We'll have more questions, more stuff, more updates, and more news tomorrow night. I wish everybody peace and love. I always forget to turn it up, because I is an idiot. But we're going to turn it up. Anyway, peace everybody.